E3 policy, the way towards a greener and self-reliant India. Bio E3 stands for Biotechnology for Economy, Employment and Environment. The Union Cabinet, led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has approved the Bio E3 policy aiming to enhance biomanufacturing and tackle global challenges like climate change and unsustainable consumption. The Bio E3 policy aims to focus on advancing sustainable bio-based industrial models. It also aims to boost R&D and entrepreneurship while establishing key biomanufacturing biofoundry and bio-AI hubs. It emphasizes bio-based chemicals, smart proteins, precision therapeutics, climate-resilient agriculture, carbon capture and marine or space research. New schemes are being introduced focusing on environmentally friendly alternatives, including biodegradable polymers and biopharmaceuticals. The three expected impacts after the implementation of this policy are economic growth, employment and environmental benefits. The bioeconomy is projected to reach $300 billion by 2030, driving significant economic growth. We anticipate job creation through public-private partnerships. Environmentally, this policy supports the government's green growth, net zero, lifestyle for the environment and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives, ensuring a sustainable and self-reliant future. Union Minister for Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh emphasized that the Bio E3 policy will position India as a leader in the 21st century bio-revolution, similar to the West's leadership in the IT revolution of the 1990s. He said, India's vast unsaturated bioresources, including unique biodiversity in the Himalayas and the 7,500-kilometer coastline after significant advantages in biotechnology, our deep-sea mission will further explore this underwater biodiversity. India's biotechnology sector is continuously growing as a key driver for the US $5 trillion economy target, valued at $151.1 billion in 2023 and projected to reach $300 billion by 2030. It features over 600 companies and 8,500 startups, making India a top 12 global biotech destination. Join us at Global Bio India 2024, happening from September 12 to 14. This event will explore advancements in biomanufacturing, clinical trials and regulations through technical sessions and exhibitions, highlighting innovations and fostering collaborations. Global Bio India 2024 will focus on bio-enablers such as biomanufacturing and bio-AI hubs to drive transformative progress in the biosector. Join us at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi from September 12 to 14 for super sessions at Global Bio India 2024 with key insights and discussions from biotech leaders and policy makers.